Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to breakfast to meet the infamous Ty. I'm already running late, which, if anybody knows me, I'm always fashionably late everywhere. So we're gonna go see Ty, see if we can't get a few shots for the channel so the world can meet Ty. Well, the rain eventually showed up, so my bike is soaking wet right now because I forgot to put it inside, and it's drying as I ride, squirting me with all the water. So we'll see how wet I am by the time I get to breakfast. Another thing about me that my girlfriend can attest to, I think it's safe to say it's one of her pet peeves, is that my gas light is always on, whether I'm riding my bike or driving my car. And as you can see, I never fail to disappoint. So we're going to be just a little bit later to breakfast. Luckily, Ty loves me and it works out well. Brotherly love, of course. We're not boyfriends. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Only the best for this baby. High performance Indian machine. Breakfast is being brought to me this morning by a 2017 Indian chieftain. She might have to push a little hard to get us there on time. And away we go. Oh, sorry there, buddy. If we can't grind this turn a little bit. There it is. So the thing is, when you go above the speed limit, sometimes you get pulled over. That's happening to me right now. How you doing?
For the stops, you're going 91 into 75.
But that officer was very nice, very professional. As most police officers are, and they deserve respect. Well, we are here, so let's go meet Ty. Thank you. Howdy.
You can join us.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Ty. So my buddy here says 29 minutes. It takes me 32 minutes to get here. I'm already here, as you can see.
Details.
Yeah, it says.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. That's a huge nature preserve. Yes, ranch. That's really cool. They have mini Aussies, mini bulldogs.
Well, thank you.
Well,
Yeah,
yes,
you're
thank
welcome.
you so much.
Yeah, thanks for letting me hang out and talk to you. Y'all have a good one.
You too. Okay, a chance encounter with a nice lady we met is sending us on a quest. We are on our way to a farm where they have puppies, and then we are going to a nature preserve to get some drone shots. So we just got done at Park Hill Prairie, and we are on our way back home. Anything you want to say before we go?
That was a really nice, cool ride after breakfast.
What do we have for breakfast?
Avocado, egg Benedict, sir.
Egg Benedict, Mike and Ty, and we ride bikes.
We do. I need a better catchphrase.